is a message from the source. Odele Ife Kingdom is about to roar. Kikeke ko parere. Kikeke ko parere.
Sorry, sir. Please.
In Chinese, it means Ichin Chong, Ichin Ha. Baba, mo tẹ́tí o. Last year, peace is Baba's voice, peace is peace. Last year, I was still working. The family now said, over 80. Ẹ̀sọ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́, pẹ̀lẹ́, go and take your rest. Ẹ̀sọ̀. So, that being the case, the arithmetic last year was 1 plus 1. Please listen. The arithmetic last year was 1 the previous year plus 1 over the previous year. Attention, take ọ̀rọ̀ jáde ẹ̀mí tẹ̀lé. Sọ̀rọ̀ bí èrí tayari náà. Be a reason now, it shall be arithmetically, algebraically, symbiotically, it will be -1. And 30. Only -1 of last year. You know what that means? You know what that means? -1 last year. That's it means. Sir, Kaziji, Akebutu, Odele of Ife Kingdom has given this club for the year 2019 the sum of 20 million naira. Is somebody clapping here? I'm members of this club standing and clapping. Where are the members of this club? Where are you? Let us appreciate this man. Let us appreciate this man. Let us appreciate this man. Ẹ ṣé bàbá, ẹ ṣé kábíyèsí, ẹ ṣé kábíyèsí. Kábíyèsí sì fi àṣẹ sí wọ́n sì fàdá lórí yóò máa pọ̀ sí yóò máa pọ̀ sí ní yóò máa pọ̀ sí ní àṣẹ àṣẹ àṣẹ. Ẹ bá mi ní bàbá láti ọwọ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ sí ẹjọ́. Congratulations, Mr. President, sir. Congratulations. Oh, hopefully tomorrow there are still some big ones coming up. I said, thank you so much, sir. I said, thank you so much, sir. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.